defrost control board or any type of board for a HVAC or heating and air conditioning unit. Just a little interesting, perhaps cumbersome yet boring task, something that may be a little fun, or it depends on how one defines fun. One can take this, take the board here, and say take the terminals here and follow these terminals, and then flip it over, and then start to follow the path on the terminals. Find your little, I guess it would be called solder here. And it's interesting, when you find the terminals, just begin to trace them and see where they terminate or where they go. For instance, all the way up here, we follow this, comes down here, goes here, here to right here. Okay, if we go over here to this, it goes here, here, around here, up here, here, and here. Okay, if we follow this, it goes here. What I'm impressed is whoever creates these boards. I would love to know who creates these boards and the electronic boards. This is a defrost board for a heating and air conditioning system. But then if we go up here, we see, for instance, if we flip this over, we see the fan terminals on this HVAC defrost board. Then we see, I'm assuming, a relay here. So then if we flip it over, we note the terminals up here and the terminals here, and then it goes here to a relay, and then the terminals here. So at some point, this relay perhaps may control this, but it's funny just to watch these and kind of follow the path, and everything's a path here, and it boggles my mind who could even think of this, and much less put this in. But if you have some extra time, just flip your board over, and for instance, okay, if we flip it here and we notice the C terminal, we go here on the C terminal, and then we find it, and the C terminal goes here, the C terminal goes up through here, all the way through. This is almost like one of these games, and somebody could develop a game out of this and learn how to decipher this thing. But just something to do if you have some free time to figure out how your board goes, where the terminals go, and that sort of thing when you flip it over on the back side and noticed your terminals from the front side and the back side. So anyway, just a little bit of food for thought. HVAC, heating and air conditioning, defrost control board, or for that matter, any control board, interesting find. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.